Thailand, families decided to apply to go to America. France, Canada, and other countries also spotted the Hmong people. Originally, some families had no desire to immigrate to America because they did not know anything about it.
An American man questions the families for registration while the translator helps the two parties communicate. In the beginning, Americans would only take soldiers and government employees, but not farmers.
Next. Oh, my name is Jerry. What is your name? Jerry Smith. Con biểu chán. Cũng bên hồ mình thọ, nó cũng có phụ một chữ ya. Ớt cũng nó, tôi là nó không ôn ra, tôi là nó không ôn, không thêm, có ớt không sai là nó, tôi nó không cam bao, ăn đau. The father's name is Main Chao and his wife is Chu Yang. His three sons. His two sons is Main and Zhe. His daughters are Mayao and Chu. What is your occupation while living in Laos? Kami nanti coba ni orang Cina. Oh, they boleh orang tengok seram. They farm for a living. If the Hmongs were to have their own country, would you return? Your mom they chơi and they make what you call it. Giờ họ ta muốn tụi mong hè để chơi ta tu, mong chọn một để chơi nó là bé phút sáng cho tăng bé để chơi lắm. If there is for peace, they would like to return to their own country. Why does your family want to come to the United States?
He's good.
They want to come to their poorly.
Poorly?
Thank you. I'm for the family to come to the United States. Okay, thanks. Next!
Good.
Hello, my name is Jerry Smith. What is your name?
You don't recognize it.
Nhớ rồi, mẹ chuẩn bị hôn cha.
Cô luôn bên hồ lý thọ, cô thô cô của bài ca trí trong. Cô ở một tiếng anh của đến hai sọ. Cô ở một xa của Blair Harvey.
The father's name is Lee Chow, and the wife is Honey. The son is Bisong and Yang.
Look at him.
What is your family's occupation while living in Laos?
I know. What is your occupation?
Cô ấy thì tôi cho từ bao bò băng.
The father is General Wing-House soldier fighting for the CIA. If their mom were to have their own country, why would you return?
Your mom want to chơi biết what you done. Giờ mong muốn tới chơi là lo, ví dụ chỉ cho băng.
He said that if they have their own country back, they would never return. Why does your family want to come to the United States? Watch out, baby.
Vì biết giỏi nhẹ nhàng, tế chỉ mua chơi bằng lời. Ví dụ mong đi cà tế, cho tên, mi tứ mi nhỏ, mong cờ chú cờ chi.
The father said there is no hope there. The mother wants to bring her children to study and learn. All right, thank you. Let your family know that you come to the United States in 3 to 7 days. 是下头的，你去把的苗